So I got a wild hair and I decided to make some croissants. Look at this dough, a thing of beauty. I love it. I decided to do chocolatine or pain au chocolat. I had some of the chocolate baton laying around. Yeah, I know who has that, but I do. After a while in my toaster oven, they puffed up very nicely. Yes, my toaster oven doubles as a proofer. I do love that about it. And I'm just brushing some egg wash on it here. It's been a while since I made these. These really did turn out very nice. I'm impressed with this recipe. I'll give you a link to it. I got it from Broad and Taylor. Look. If you're gonna make these, you should know it's a 2-day process. And then let me shake it for you and show you it is jiggly. Here comes the jiggle. Jiggle, jiggle. And after a quick trip to the oven, here we go. This is what they look like. I am so impressed. I even did a cross section for you guys so you can see it. I did these by hand. But yeah, I make these. It's awesome. Love it. The problem I have now is I have 6 croissants I gotta eat. What you gonna do? Alright, check out another video. Talk to you guys later. Bon appetit!